Hello, this is Amin from Firvid. Welcome to our branding agency. Today I'm going to talk about something like a problem for WordPress developers. Sometimes they get into a problem with client. Like if you go to a WordPress website, you can see the website is fully fresh. There is nothing, no plugin. If you go to the theme is 2024, a default theme. There is nothing, no post. Like there is a default post, no media files, nothing. Look, the media files are broken. I will show you something about this. Okay, so the website is fully fresh. Now, if we go to the media, try to add a new library, like we're trying to add our logo. Look, an error occurred in the upload. Please try again. If you try to refresh or do something like again after some hours, some day, nothing will happen because there is nothing can do. There is a action scheduler that is turned on from the database, and you cannot fix it without fixing the database. For this, you have to go to the database file. For me, I'm using Hostinger, and there is the database file from the phpMyAdmin. If you go from here, actually I got into this problem last night and see how to fix it. I talked with the GoDaddy server. My client server was GoDaddy server, so I talked with GoDaddy. They told me about that there is an action scheduler. You have to fix it. It cannot be fixed by the hostings, blah blah blah. But I checked that there is some problem with the database of my client. All his database are like non-editable. If you go to a database file, like if you go to the WP options, you can see there is a edit option. Okay, but at his website database, it is like WP post of hours. You can see there is no edit option. You cannot edit any data table from here. So I tried to find out what we can do. There are some people who write about it at Stack Overflow or some kind of query digit. So I find out a solution from the Stack Overflow, and the solution is like, if you find like this, there is no option for edit your database table, you can just go to the database structure, and you can see there is no primary key selected. If you know database, something about database, you will know what is the primary key. You can see there is no primary key that is assigned. If you want to assign a primary key, like me, I want to assign this ID as a primary key. I will go to change this one to auto increment. If you do the auto increment, it will automatically make this as a primary key. Just click here and save this one. Not yet done. You will see what happens. Look, all edit options are here now, right? If you go to this structure, you will see a key, primary key. Look, and here you will see that primary key is ID, column ID. So it is defined as primary key. Okay. And if we go to our website again and go to the media, you will see that I tried something to upload. That is showing now. If you go to the add media files now and try to add this one again, it will upload. Look, it is uploaded, right? And if you refresh, you will see this again. This file is uploaded now. The problem happens when you try to migrate your website from a domain to another domain. Like my client server was from a .d domain and he wanted to do it on .com domain. So someone do the migration, not me, and he did something wrong with the migration. Maybe some failure with the migration. That's why this happens. Sometimes this happens automatically also for the action scheduler option at WordPress. Action scheduler option, like here is no action scheduler option now because we don't have any plugin. Action scheduler option comes from plugin cron jobs. They are like updating the plugin. If there is something from the plugin, they will show that this is the work of action scheduler. Action scheduler do the editable option, remove the editable option from the database. So for this, we have to fix this manually from here, or we can write it SQL code. If you know the code, you can write this SQL code, your table name and your ID, which one you want to fix the ID. You can do this at SQL code and run it, and it will fix it. Run it by go here and it will fix it. If you know the SQL code, it will work. So that's it for today. Hope you will do follow the Firvid Facebook page, and make sure you visit our website firvid.com. Thanks a lot.